Hi guys, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell you how to stretch a canvas at home. So hit the subscribe button and let's begin. First, let's open our canvas roll. It's easily available on art shops and online stores. And a stapler which joins the canvas sheet to wooden frame. Take your wooden canvas frame. Start by laying out your canvas fabric on clean surface. Use measuring tape or scale to determine the size you want and mark dimensions lightly with pencil. Remember to leave some extra fabric on each side for stretching. Now lay your wooden frame over the canvas. Ensure that wooden frame is centered and the extra fabric extends beyond the edges of the frame. Start stapling one side of canvas to the frame, pulling it tightly as you go. Move to opposite side and staple it as well. Continue this process for remaining two sides, pulling and stapling the canvas evenly to avoid wrinkles. For the corners, fold the excess canvas neatly and staple it securely. This will give your canvas a clean and professional look. your canvas a final check, ensuring that it's stretched evenly and securely on all sides. If needed, you can use a hammer to make sure staples are firmly in place. So there you have it, a stretched canvas at home. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to this video.